Hello everyone. Did you know that as we women age, even as early as in our 40s, our body's hormones that stimulate hair growth begin to diminish? And of course aging also causes the pigment, or color, of our hair to change. And that's why we begin to go gray, which of course is why so many of us color our hair to help retain a more youthful look as we move into our 40s, 50s, and 60s. But of course the use of hair color products has its downsides. It causes hair to weaken and break, which makes hair look thinner and sometimes lifeless. One of my friends said she has been using and loving Keranique products for several years now, but she just told me about a new product set that comes with a shampoo, conditioner, and follicle serum treatment that are specifically geared towards my problems. You see, I have naturally thin hair. And ever since menopause, I've noticed my hair has been getting thinner. More is falling out or breaking. And I'm not yet ready to let my hair go fully grey, so I do some touch-up coloring about every 6 to 8 weeks. So you see, I need the absolute best protection I could get. Just follow this process to protect and help repair your thinning colored hair. Step 1. Wash your hair with the Rejuvenate Color Boost Follicle Strengthening Shampoo and leave it on for 1 to 2 full minutes before rinsing. Step 2. After rinsing the shampoo from your hair, place a small amount of the Rejuvenate Color Boost Follicle Strengthening Conditioner on your hair. Work it in from root to ends and also leave this in for 1 to 2 full minutes before rinsing. 3. After towel drying your hair, lift up sections of your locks and spray on the Rejuvenate Follicle Boosting Serum and work it into your scalp using your fingertips. This stays in, no rinsing. You can now blow dry and style your hair as normal. The combination of the products in this set has really helped reduce my hair fallout and breakage and has given it a great look and sheen. Even my husband noticed a big difference after the first couple of weeks of use. Great job, Keranique, and thank you for this super helpful product set. I truly recommend this set to all women struggling with thinning and color damaged hair. Ta-ta for now.